Hello sir, I am John Leonard Hamo, a BSMT student from S1 Air. And in this video, I'll be discussing about ballast water management, anti-fouling system, and other contemporary regulations or requirements. Ballast water management refers to the process and system used by ship to control and treat the water that is taken on board as ballast. Ballast water is used to stabilize ship during its voyage, especially when it's carrying little or no cargo. However, ballast water can also contain aquatic organisms such as bacteria, larvae, and invasive species, which can be transferred between different ecosystems when the ballast water is discharged into new location. To address this issue, ballast water management involves the use of various treatment technologies such as filtration, UV radiation, and chemical treatment to prevent the spread of invasive species and protect marine biodiversity. International regulations like the Ballast Water Management Convention by the International Maritime Organization (IMO) have been established to ensure ships adopt these practices and minimize environmental risk. An anti-fouling system refers to the method or materials used in the hull of the ship or boats to prevent the accumulations of marine organisms such as algae, barnacles, and other sea life. These organisms can catch to the submerged surfaces of vessels, causing fouling. Fouling increases drag, reduce fuel efficiency, and can lead to damage to the hull. It can also introduce invasive species to new environment. Anti-fouling system typically include coatings, paints, or surface treatment to either prevent organisms from attaching or make it easier to remove them. Traditional anti-fouling paints contains biocides, which are chemicals that kill or repel marine organisms, while newer, more eco-friendly systems focus on non-toxic alternatives such as silicone-based coating or copper-free paints. This system helps ships maintain better performance and reduce their environmental impact. Other contemporary regulations or requirements in the marine industry are a set of rules and standards that aim to enhance environmental protection, safety, and operational efficiency. These regulations often stem from international organizations like the International Maritime Organizations and national authorities addressing issues like pollution control, safety standard, and operational procedure. Some example includes: first is marine pollution, a key international convention that covers pollution from ships, including oil pollution, garbage, sewage, and air pollution. MARPOL aims to reduce the environmental impact of shipping activities. Second, International Ship and Port Facility Security Code (ICPS) Code. This regulates the security of ships and port facilities, aiming to prevent maritime security threats like terrorism and piracy. Third, International Convention for the Control and Management of Ships, Ballast Water, and Sediments (BWM Convention). Beyond ballast water treatment, this convention also includes regulation to prevent the spread of invasive species through the ballast water and sediment management. Fourth, IMO 2020 Sulfur Cap, a regulation that limits the sulfur content in fuel used by ship to 0.5%, aimed at reducing air pollution from shipping emission and improving air quality. Fifth, Energy Efficiency Existing Ships Index and Carbon Intensity Indicator. Regulation introduced to improve the energy efficiency of existing ships and reduce their carbon intensity, contributing to the IMO's goals for reducing greenhouse gas emission from shipping. Lastly, waste management requirements. This regulation focuses on how ships handle waste, solid waste, plastic, hazardous materials during their voyage, including how it is stored, processed, and disposed of in port. These and other requirements reflect the growing push towards reducing the environmental impact of marine activities, improving safety, and aligned with global sustainability goals.